Hey, welcome back to my channel. Truck System Technologies TST TST 507 RV 507 Series RV Cap Sensor Pair. Cap sensors are compatible with metal or rubber valve stems. Easy installation, water-resistant, anti-theft design. Easily syncs to any 507 display installation tool provided. RV cap sensor specifications: temperature operating range, -40 F, 176 F, pressure range, 1 to 218 psi, physical sensor size, cap, 0.96 inches by 0.91 inches, sensor weight, cap, 0.59 ounces 16.8 grams. Application, RV trailer, number of wheels, 2, type of display, all 507 series, type of sensor, cap, valve stem installed, rubber or metal. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.